Apple. Horses love apples. But not this horse. Oh, Betty. Maybe he doesn't like fruit. How about a nice vegetable? What do you got in there? Oh, a carrot. Beautiful carrot. Probably a vegetarian and he's going to love this. No, he's not. Okay. Whoa. No. Well, what else do you have? Come on, you're not going to give up now. Okay, hey, a big lump of sugar. Wow, horses love sugar. But not this horse. But Betty is not going to give up. She's going to feed this horse something for participating and helping us with this dance. Oh, what has she got? Hey! Let's stick a boot smile out of your head. Clean up this mess there. Give him a big hand. Yeah. Thank you. Put him back out the pasture. And don't feed your horses beer. That's what happens. Well, they do that anyway.